Hey, good morning, everybody. I want to make a video on 2B reversals because, as you know, I learned quite a bit from Darren, Best Forex Method, and he is always just adding something into his arsenal, and not in a over. It might seem overwhelming to other people, but when you understand what he's doing, he's really going back, adding things, testing to see if they work well with his strategy, taking them out if not, and then keeping them if they do. And so I've always really been interested with 2B reversals. I see Simon on Twitter always posting about them, so I thought let me look into them. And I took a 2B reversal trade today, so I just wanted to go over it. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So my analysis this morning was off the always off the 4-hour chart. I could see. Let me take drawings off real quick. How do you do that without deleting them? There we go. So we had this big 4-hour candle that we were trading within, and within the 4-hour candle, you could see RSI to the upside was starting to fall. So right off the gate, as soon as I saw that this morning, that told me short. Look for a short. I mean, there's a possibility for a long, but seeing all this and then this chop inside of the 4-hour candle, descending RSI, immediately my mind just went to looking for a short. So right off the gate, that was the first thing. I marked up these two levels because I found them important. These are important levels as well, but once you get into the 4-hour, you notice a lot of those levels start overlapping just because of how close together they are. So, excuse me. So I started looking for my 1-hour levels, and you can see we're on this candle. So I marked up the close of the previous hour, the high of this high right here, high here, and then the open here. So these are my main levels I was looking at because we had opened right here. And from there, I went on to, obviously I looked at the 30, looked at the 15. Same thing, you can see the RSI just slowly descending, just looking weaker and weaker. And sure enough, once the market opened, this is where I get into the 2B reversal. So someone might correct me in the comments. I might be doing this the wrong way or an odd way, but just to illustrate what my thought process is, a 2B, as far as I'm aware, is, say, let's do a short example since this is a short. You have a new high, this being the new high, then it comes back down, breaking this low here, closing below it, coming and retesting it, and then the break right here is your trade, your entry. So new high breaks the low, retests, and then continues lower, creating essentially a new downtrend, right? So with that in mind, I'm looking at these candles as trends. So this candle here is a low, high, then we put in a lower high and a higher high, right? So this is a trend. The next candle over closed below both of these candles, which is the next step in that 2B, and the candle over comes back and retests it. Not only that, but we have the hourly levels to give us even more confidence. And I had all these levels marked up right here before even the 9:30 market open. You can see how well they tested every single level. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, getting back to it. So this candle came back and retested after we closed this 2B reversal here, and retested, broke below, and essentially filled this gap, which was my trade idea from the hourly chart, and it's continuing lower. But that's the whole trade, and I am still watching 3CRs very closely. So if 3CR is ready to close on another time frame, I know I've seen them pull back enough times to know that they're gonna pull back. So I'm paying very close attention to them, making sure I'm not trading into the close of any important 3CRs on the higher time frames. It's just I'm looking at another way of potentially entering these trades using 2B, and I'm really enjoying it. I've been doing a lot of back testing, looking back at it. Now we're breaking that 4-hour level. I didn't expect it to sell this hard. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, I think these 2Bs are really just another tool that works so well with 3CR, and the way I'm already trading, I'm literally doing my analysis the same exact way I was doing it last week, just using 2Bs as another way of looking for entries and understanding what the action's doing. So just always keep an open mind, keep studying, keep checking out new things. If they work, keep them. If they don't, toss them. It doesn't have to be that hard. Just whatever makes your trading easier. That's it. So I think I'm going to end the video there. Hope everyone's doing well. So I'm going to post this chart on Twitter too, so you can go back and check it out and see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.